Binance occasionally offers cashback vouchers to its users as part of promotions or rewards programs. These vouchers can be used to receive discounts or cashback on trading fees, deposits, or other eligible transactions on the Binance platform. Here's how to use a Binance Cashback Voucher. Check eligibility. Ensure that you are eligible to use the cashback voucher by reviewing the terms and conditions provided by Binance. Access voucher. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet or voucher section. Here, you should be able to view any available cashback vouchers associated with your account. Apply voucher. Select the voucher you wish to use and follow the prompts to apply it to your transaction. The specific steps may vary depending on the type of voucher and the transaction it applies to. Complete transaction. Once the voucher is applied, proceed with completing the transaction as usual. The cashback or discount associated with the voucher should be automatically applied to the transaction. Review savings. After completing the transaction, review your account activity or transaction history to confirm that the cashback or discount was applied successfully.